Hey, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. This is Scott Gladwell. I'm here with Miss Delise Billingsley with Liberty Bankers Insurance Group, and she is going to talk to us today about a new hospital indemnity plan that Liberty Bankers has started. So, if you could bear with me just a moment here, I got something going on. I wanted to talk to you guys for just a second about Medicare Advantage Specialist before I turned it over to Miss Delise, but for some reason I'm not able to do that this morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it over to Delise, and then I will do mine after she is finished. So Miss Delise, I'm going to
Well, thank you,
one
Scott.
second here. I'm going to give you control. Sorry, 1 second here. Let me give you control. Okay. So thank you for joining us this morning. Sorry for that little snag there. I will get that sorted out while you're doing your part.
Will you tell me now, tell me again, how do I upload the presentation, please?
So you'll just share your screen and do it right there on your screen. To the left side there, where it says share screen, and just do it right on your computer. You don't have to upload it. You'll just go in and share screen.
Okay, one moment. I'm clicking on show screen, and nothing is happening. I'm clicking on it.
Okay, something's going on here. Let's see. Okay, now that should let you do it. Okay, so now I'm seeing your Hospital Indemnity Plus coming soon screen.
Oh, perfect. Okay, now let me
Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry guys for the technical difficulties. Technology.
That's on me, guys.
Great thing when it works, right? And I am not good with technology. I fix everything. I just turn it off and turn it back on.
That's my trick for just about everything.
Okay, do you see a full screen?
Are you working on two screens?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm seeing your screen that is like your screen, the one that's showing like your next slide. There you go. And then if you want to drag your webinar controls, I can see that at the bottom middle. There you go. All right. Sorry for the delay, everyone. That was on me. But now Delise it's about to get a lot better.
I know. Well, good morning, everyone. Once again, our apologies for all the technical difficulties. Welcome to today's presentation. I will try to make this presentation short and sweet. I dislike long presentations. My name is Delise Billingsley, and I am with Liberty Bankers Insurance Group, and I will be your presenter this morning. So thank you so much again for joining this webinar. I hope you find it informative and educational. We are excited to share with you that we will be launching a hospital indemnity plan on July 5th. But before we get there, I would like to share with you a little more about Liberty Bankers Insurance Group. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have a teammate of mine. Her name is Candice, and she will be running the chat box for any questions that you may have. There's no such thing as a silly question. If you have a question on any given slide that you're seeing, please feel free to enter it in the chat box. Me, myself, I cannot see the chat box right now, but I will be reviewing the chat box as well at the end of this presentation. A moment. So here at Liberty Bankers Insurance Group, we believe that peace of mind is more than a feeling, right? It's a concrete plan, it's a relationship on which you can depend, it's a security and knowing that your options for taking care of your client, finances, and family. So we do take, things seriously here at Liberty Bankers Insurance Group. The company is based in Dallas, Texas, and we offer a large variety of products that includes annuities, final expense, Medicare supplements, accident, lump sum cancer, heart attack, stroke, and soon the hospital indemnity plus. That's how it's going to be called. We are an A- excellent rated by AM Best, which we take a lot of pride of that. And the group is comprised of American Benefit Life, which is our primary Medicare supplement product that we offer. There's Capital Life, and there is also Liberty Bankers Life, which that hospital indemnity plus is going to be under the Liberty Bankers Life branding. So here at Liberty Bankers Insurance Group, we're focused on life, health, and financial products. We have a steady profitability for 23 consecutive years. So that gives you peace of mind that you are working with a company that is steady financially, prompt, courteous, and accurate service. So we believe that it's extremely important to provide that white glove service to our agents, to our members. And when it comes to our customer service of us as a company taking care of the agents, we like to put in that personalized touch. We ask our agents, if you have questions, concerns, you call me or call my team, you text me, you send me an email. Our goal is to give you answers promptly. The company is at $3.1 billion in assets with $340 million adjusted CNS. So the ease of doing business with us. Service, we're going to do it fast, accurate, and courteous. Stability, rich history of growth, and again, an A- excellent by AM Best. We are streamlined and digital underwriting experience, which I'm going to be going a little bit over that within the next few minutes, and that's in regards to our Medicare supplement plans. We are salespeople, so we love offering bonuses, contests, and agent incentive trips every year. And I already mentioned that we diverse product lines include life, health, and financial products. I'm going to do a little quick Medicare supplement commercial break here, because along the way, I'm sure that you're still going to find clients who are looking for a med-sup coverage. Not much, right? But every once in a while, you will find someone who's still interested on a Medicare supplement product. Why is that, right? There's no networks. The member can go to any hospital, any specialist that is currently working with Medicare patients. It's kind of like that peace of mind sort of coverage where the member only has to cover or worry about paying that monthly premium. There are no surprises later on, right? So let me talk to you a little bit about our Medicare supplement plans. We make things fast, simple, and streamlined. Fast means that for all of those applications going through underwriting, we're going to give you 100% digital experience. 2, you will have an underwriting decision within 3 minutes or less. Actually, we've been averaging about 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes within the past couple of months. 100% digital experience, no phone call. No one needs to speak to no one. As soon as you hit submit on that application, you're just going to wait 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and you will have a yes or no underwriting decision. Because that's how our application consists of. It's just yes or no questions. So most likely, if the client answers no to everything, that application will be accepted. If the client answers yes to one of those questions, it means that we may have to do a little more research on the client's medical history, right? So this is our national footprint. I'm not going to go under each one of these states. As you can see, we are not in the state of Colorado, but we do have Capital Life in the state of Colorado. Okay, we have very competitive rates. We have very competitive commissions. And don't forget that I also already mentioned that medical supplement business will also get you to an agent incentive trip every year. So let's just take a quick look at our premiums nationwide. This is just a quick example of a female, age 67, with a household discount, right? So green is going to show you that's the lowest premium in that area. Yellow is the lowest premium within $5 higher than the lowest plan, etc. Right? Rates for Plan G, rates for Plan N. Here's a quick overview for rates for a male, age 67, with a household discount. Not bad, isn't it? On Plan G, look at Florida. On Plan G, yes, we are not that competitive on Plan G in Florida. However, we are extremely competitive with Plan N in Florida, which one of my goals this summer is that I want to do some quick webinars going over Plan N and teaching some agents on how to present or how to sell Plan N. Sometimes agents are not on that comfort level where they don't feel, comfortable enough to talk to their clients about Plan N, because this plan, it has a copays, right? Has 2 copays. Well, more to come on that Plan N webinars. So fast, simple, streamlined. Remember those 3 words. The time it takes, 72% of all cases with an underwriting decision, about 1 minute. 3 minutes, it's the time that it takes for the remaining cases once the application is submitted until the final decision is determined. And actually, when you're going through this underwriting process, 8 clicks is the average number of clicks that it takes to receive this decision. And the reason why I'm talking about and only talking about applications going through underwriting, because we all know that if someone is turning 65, that application is going to have a guaranteed acceptance. Also, if the consumer is entitled to guaranteed issue, right? But any time that someone is going through that underwriting process, we know how stressful, how complicated it can be for the member or for the agent, right? And members get a little emotional, guys. So we have heard from many agents asking us, how can you guys make it better? How can you guys make it simple? And we listened to our agents, and we did. So give us a shot and let me know your thoughts, right? Okay, so now let's talk about our hospital indemnity plan, which is called Hospital Indemnity Plus, which is coming soon. I'm not sure if Candice have access to the chat box, but I do want to tell you that we have filed for this product in multiple states nationwide. As of last Friday, the product has been approved in the following states: Georgia, Wisconsin, West Virginia, Alabama, Iowa, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Nevada, and Arizona, right? And we are having these state approvals coming in daily. We are hoping that by July 5th, which is when we launch the product, it will be approved in most states. So now, let's take a quick overview of the Hospital Indemnity Plus. This is the base policy benefit type. Issue ages 18 to 85. For those consumers who are within age 64 to 68, there will be no health questions asked. Coverage type, we're going to offer this product to an individual or an individual with a child, a couple, and we will have a family plan. Rates will be gender specific, tobacco, non-tobacco. A 10% household discount will be applicable if the consumer lives in the same home with another person who's age 50 or older. We also have different billing options: monthly, semi-annually, annual, direct bill. They can pay by credit card, right? Those credit card points are important. List billing. There is a $25 application fee. The policy duration is a 10-year period, rates, and lifetime rates. So the daily benefits amounts, we will offer from $100 up to $750 per day. Confinement benefit periods, 2 to 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 31 days. Observation, 100% of the confinement benefit will be paid. 10 days max per calendar year. Intensive care benefit pays an additional $150 per day for hospital confinement within ICU. 7 days max per calendar year. Extended care benefit, $25 per day beyond hospital confinement, max days, up to 31 days per period of confinement. Mental health benefit, $175 per day for hospital confinement due to mental or nervous disorder. Also, 7 days max per calendar year. Travel companion benefit pays $100 per day for a family member for a hospital that is located more than 50 miles from the policy owner residence. I believe that this is a little different from what other carriers are offering. And this is my favorite one, the next one, pet boarding. How important is for anyone, those little fur babies. We are going to pay $50 per day for family pet in a pet boarding facility, 10 days per calendar year. I believe $50 per day is very, very good price, very reasonable, because actually I do travel a lot for work. I have a golden doodle like Shanna does, and I have a miniature schnauzer, and every time I have to put them on pet boarding, it's about $70 a day per pet, right? Maybe I should put them on eBay or something and get some money out of that. So I don't have to pay the $70, but I'll be happy paying $50, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. I think that this is such a nice perk that we're offering on this product. So we do offer optional benefit riders. there's an emergency room urgent care benefit rider that will pay $250 per emergency room visit and $50 per urgent care visit due to illness or injury. There's also an ambulance benefit rider. I don't have to read all of that. I'll give you a few minutes so you can review it too. Outpatient surgery benefit riders, lump sum hospital confinement benefit rider. There are more riders, right? Skilled nursing hospice care facility benefit rider. If I am not mistaken, this option is not offered by anyone else out there. No other HIP carrier is paying for hospice, right? So we will pay the skilled nursing facility, hospice care facility required by the covered person following hospital confinement of at least 3 consecutive days. Hospice care facility is covered up to 25% of the skilled nursing facility daily benefit amount, up to a maximum of 14 days per calendar year. And then it will show you at option 1, how much we will be paying between day 1 and day 21. Option 2, what's going to be the daily benefit from day 21 to 100 days. More benefit riders: outpatient diagnostic services and wellness benefit rider. We will pay outpatient advanced studies diagnostic, basic diagnostic, laboratory diagnostic, and wellness benefits, right? And the amounts are noted here on the 3 bullet points that you see below my comments. We also offer the hospital indemnity automatic benefit increase rider. So we will increase the hospital confinement, extended hospital confinement and observation unit daily benefit amount by the benefit increase percentage that you see below, right? So in year 1, we'll increase it 5%, year 2, 10%, year 3, 4, 5, etc., right? I believe this is also not offered by other hospital indemnity plan carrier out there. We offer dental, vision, and hearing benefit riders. So we will pay up to $400 or $800 or $1,200 per calendar year with a $50 deductible. So the coverage is year 1, 60%, year 2, 70%, year 3 plus 80%. And this benefit includes preventive care, basic care, major services, right, within 12 months of waiting period, and the vision and hearing exams. Okay, I'll give you a quick minute to finish reviewing the slide. The plan also offers outpatient therapy and medical device benefit rider. So we will pay for outpatient occupational, physical, speech, chiropractic therapy, durable medical equipment, prosthetic devices, and home medications following a hospital confinement or out-of-patient surgery. There will be 3 different options. There will be the option 1, 5 days per calendar year. Option 2, 15 days per calendar year. Option 3, 30 days per calendar year. Guys, and all of this information, I will be sending it over to you or to all of the agents who have joined the call this morning, right? We have a PDF that explains everything on it. One moment, my coworkers here, I just emailed me. We do have also a hospital indemnity plan calculator, premium calculator. I will be showing you how to upload this app to your cell phone or to your tablet, right? Where you can run a quick quote, and everyone will have access to this application. Not only agents that are, contracted with us. You will enter the issue age, gender, tobacco class, premium mode, payment duration, coverage that it's picked by the member, if the household discount is applicable, and you will have all the information that you need to provide that quote to your client. But don't forget, everything is coming via email, okay? So here at Liberty Bankers Insurance Group, we have created kind of a competitors chart, right? That is clearly, it's going to show you the competitiveness of this product. We're going to show you on this flyer, which we will be sending this flyer out to you, everything that I just reviewed and I went over on this presentation. The type of coverage, rider information, what is covered by our HIP plan, and what competitor 1, competitor 2, competitor 3, and competitor 4 are offering. And then you can make your own judgment, right? And if you are one of those agents who are actively selling hospital indemnity plan, which is a great plan to be offering to your Medicare Advantage clients, to ACA clients, even to consumers who are still under a group, one moment please, under a employer group plan, right? We're also offering very, very high and generous commissions on this product. I think that you guys will be really pleased. And I would love for you just to, just give it a try, review it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or to anyone else in my team, which I will be providing all of our contact info at the end of this presentation, and we're almost done, by the way, okay? So as I mentioned earlier, we are salespeople, we like to travel, we like to mingle, kind of one of those things that you work hard and you play hard. Every year, we take our top agents based on their production, we take them somewhere. Our agents last year went to Lisbon, Portugal, which I've heard that is an amazing, stunning, beautiful country. I've never had the opportunity to be there. This year, 2023, we're taking our agents to a cruise to Norway. We're flying everyone to London, and after that, they're going to hop on that little big dinghy, right? And they're going to take an amazing 7-8 days cruise through Norway. Next year, we're taking our agents to Playa Mujeres, Mexico, right? So there are the trip dates, June 3rd through the 8th of next year. This is all will be based on your production, your annualized production, right? On a calendar year basis, January 1st through December 31st. All of the products offered by Liberty Bankers Insurance Group will give you credits for all of your sales, and will take you until this nice trip next year, right? And guys, this is a luxury resort. This is not just a hotel by the beach, right? It's really nice that you and your significant other can go and have a blast for 5-6 days. So this is a team that you can count on. This is my peeps, right? Our team is led by Brian Clark, who is our Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer. If you want to talk to Brian and let him know how wonderful this presentation was, send him an email, give him a call. There's Dave Peters, and he is the one who actually leads the ancillary products department. If you have any questions about anything, specifically, if, he can take a deep dive for you on this product too. Call, email Dave. Mariana Jones, she leads our Medicare supplement team. There's Tom Guest, he's our VP of Business Development. And there's Sarah Deal and I, primarily we're the two that are working, hand on hand with agents on a daily basis. Guys, and again, here's our email address and our contact and our phone number. You can call that number, you can text that number, you can send me an email. We're never going to ask any of our agents to call any help desk or any customer service line. We want to give you that personalized attention, customer service, because we are, very blessed and happy to, have your business. So we're going to give it that personal touch. So I give you a few more minutes if you would like to take a kind of a little picture of this slide. And excuse me. And this is it, guys. This was the information on our hospital Indemnity Plus plan, which will be launched on July 5th. And thank you so much.
Thank you,
I don't know
Delise.
if we have, do we have any questions in the chat box?
I don't see any. Let's see here. No, does anyone have any questions they'd like to post?
I'm going to go back to the contact info. Well, you may not have any questions right now, guys, but if you have any questions later on today or later on this week, again, feel free to give me a call or call Sarah. I know Mariana, Brian, Dave, and Tom are traveling this week, but sorry. But Sarah and I, we are at the office this week. That was a doodle, right? I'm happy that the UPS guy didn't show up because I already told my dog that we do not bark to UPS drivers.
I think a lot of us are working from home. I hear a lot of dogs barking as we're doing calls, so
I know
it's become a regular thing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. That's I'm excited about it. Anybody who knows anything about us here at MAS knows that we're big fans of Liberty Bankers Insurance Group. It's one that I try to get every new agent to get in their portfolio and existing agents. Those trips look amazing. I'm super excited about this. I would like to just really quick, guys, I did figure out what my problem was in the beginning. So I'd like to tell you just a little bit about if there's anyone watching who's not familiar with Medicare Advantage Specialist. Just to let you know, we're a full service FMO. We're nationwide, and if you're looking for someone that's going to take a genuine interest in helping you grow your business, see you as a partner, treat you like a partner, we would love to talk more with you about that. We've got a great team of guys here, and whether you're someone that's already with an FMO that you're happy with, you're doing well, but maybe you need to add a carrier or two. Maybe you just want to see what else is out there, or even if you're newly licensed and you don't really know what to do next, we would love to shepherd you through that process and help you start a successful business. We have full portfolio. We have everything you could need to assist the senior market. You can see we've got the Medicare Advantage, Medicare Supplement, Hospital Indemnity, Drug Plan, Final Expense, and then, of course, all the ancillary stuff that our partners like Liberty Bankers provides. If you're an agent that wants to build your own agency, we've helped a lot of agents do that. When it comes time, we can help you recruit. We can help provide you with the names of licensed agents in your area. We have everything you need, dialer, software, everything you would need to do that. And if you know anything about us, you know that we're an integrity company since 2019. So what that means to us and what that means to our agents is that you're an integrity partner, and that means you get access to all of Integrity's cool software, um, things like the Medicare Center, which is going to be a one-stop shop for Medicare Advantage plans, where you can compare all the plans, enroll right from there. So you're not going to every carrier and entering the same info over and over. It's also going to give you our T65 locator, which is going to let you see people in an area who have a 65th birthday coming up, anywhere from a month out to a year out. It's going to let you reach out to those guys, be the first ones to contact them, and hopefully get them in your book of business. Our number here on the screen, 800-480-9857. We would love to hear from you. I'd love to talk to you more about how to grow your business. So, Delise, if you have anything else before we wrap up here today?
No, I don't have any other comments. But thank you so much, Scott, and thank you, Medicare, Advantage Specialist, for your business and the support. And we look forward to continue working with you guys. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. All right.
Okay. Well, thank you, guys. Keep in touch.